You speak fluently in your mind, but when you actually talk, you pause a lot. You say, like, and your brain feels stuck. Today, I'm sharing you fluency tricks that no one tells you, so you can speak smoothly and confidently without awkward pauses. So let's directly dive into the video. Part 1. Why do we pause? First of all, let's understand pausing is normal. Even native speakers do it. But too many pauses or long silences, that's when your fluency is broken. This happens because of multiple reasons. You're actually thinking in your native language and translating. You're searching for the right word, or you're overthinking everything you say. Let's fix that now. Part 2. Trick 1. Use filler phrases smartly. Yes, filler words can be bad when overused, but smart filler phrases actually help you sound more natural while thinking. Try these. Well, let me think about that for a second. That's a very good question. Well, what I believe is, I was just about to say that. Practicing these type of fillers sounds you more confident and it also gives you time to think without awkward silences. Try this with me right now. Let me think about that. Now say it out loud. Smooth, right? Part 3, Trick 2. Think in ideas, not in words. This is a game changer. Do not think in individual words, but think in ideas or chunks. For example, instead of saying I went to the market, start saying I went to the market to buy some vegetables. Practice it by reading out loud and also start using shadowing technique. If you want to know what shadowing technique is in detail, you can also see the link I will be sharing in the comment section. Part 4, Trick 3. Use hand gestures and move your body. Sounds funny, right? But this actually works. So, whenever you speak, start using your hand gestures and your body. This helps your brain feel more confident and free. Try it out loud while narrating a story, or try it when you're speaking with yourself while walking. This helps your brain to connect better. Part 5, Trick 4. Use voice notes instead of speaking partners. This is my personal favorite. Unable to find somebody to speak with? No problem. Just open your phone and open the recorder and then start speaking. Use it on daily basis and hear it back. Of course, on day one, you will be seeing lot of pauses, lot of mistakes, but gradually it will make you improve your language. And do not delete the recording because it would help you track your progress. Part 6, Trick 5. Use pause practice to break the habit. Let's do some fun exercise. Pick one topic. For example, my morning routine. So start speaking on the above topic for continuously 1 minute. Doesn't matter if your grammar is right or wrong, but do not pause. This helps you and your brain to understand to keep the flow going without taking a pause. Keep doing this for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and so on. Fluency is a skill and not a talent. So let's quickly repeat. Use smart filler phrases, think in ideas and not in words, move your body while talking, record yourself daily, and practice non stop speaking. You don't need big words to be fluent. All you need is speak with flow and confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to get more such videos and share it with someone who is also learning English just like you. Remember, the more you speak, the better you get. Speak more, pause less. Let's go. See you in the next video. Bye bye.